ye ni sika de ba kan afidie ma ye de ahoɔden ebetutu fam ne ya pa ya no aduane je tutu ya nso ye tutu ye nya kakra de beto aduane abi enu ti ambato se ye tutu asase ne mu
enti hia me se Mike Adwoada ekosi efiada 4:30 to 6:30 p.m. na yenhia ya bedwafo ne to adwen ye hwe kwampa be fa so a oman no ebetumi atumpon
Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu
so na betumpon a igna yenhia ya amamu mpanifo eye omanfo no so atumi aboa ama oman no atumi apija efira tifi ekwa toye epuye ekosi anafo obi a che na adwen ebi so oman ne koso ebi so oman ne koso ebi no se fa so bono man so ntwerefo eno ti na Kumawood television yakofa dwumade ya to no din Sinupi ede ebrewo Sinupi amanyosem Sinupi ensem a ye bomosuko ene ebedwafo ahia Adwoada ekosi fiada 4:30 to 6:30 p.m. Shia na ene abedwafo ahia anyenyo no man ho yenhwe kron man no befa so a ebetimi atumpo Sinupi on pen nada wo before sen eno hu Ghana
ya ye mobo wo Ghana etisika so o man nya ohia man Nenam amamu a enkoyie enti no ekomde
on pen dada mahama so sisle
fertilizer ye cry ya ye tro say ye nton not for sale and obi de not do wen hu ohu for sale ekuafo entimi antono akafa chiche omuma fertilizer na da hosa e ma fertilizer na be say
wonso so eden ena ka ede afọ me ngo man no esay
ye ku adwuma ewo district yi my problem is uye ku adwuma na isi abe owe oba fa ni nyina ase ni nyina abre unu obi ani wo ba beto nti wutia na ho kire na wotim nti ye hu ise galamsey no gold wa asase no ene sha asese ye de ahoɔden be ye ni sika de ba kan afidie ma ye de ahoɔden ebetutu fam ne ya pa ya no aduane je tutu ya nso ye tutu ye nya kakra de beto aduane abi enu ti ambato se ye tutu asase no mu
enti hia me se Mike Adwoada ekosi efiada 4:30 to 6:30 p.m. na yenhia ya bedwafo ne to adwen yenhwe kwampa be fa so a oman no ebetumi atumpon
Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu
so na betumpon a igna yenhia ya amamu mpanifo eye omanfo no so atumi aboa ama oman no atumi apija efira tifi ekwa toye epuye ekosi anafo obi a che na adwen ebi so oman ne koso ebi so oman ne koso ebi no se fa so bono man so ntwerefo eno ti na Kumawood television yakofa dwumade ya to no din Sinupi ede ebrewo Sinupi amanyosem Sinupi ensem a ye bomosuko ene ebedwafo ahia Adwoada ekosi fiada 4:30 to 6:30 p.m. Shia na ene abedwafo ahia anyenyo no man ho yenhwe kron man no befa so a ebetimi atumpo Sinupi on pen nada wo before sen eno hu Ghana
ya ye mobo wo Ghana etisika so o man nya ohia man nenam amamu a enkoyie enti no ekomde
on pen dada mahama so sisle
fertilizer ye cry ya ye tro say ye nton not for sale and obi de not do wen hu ohu for sale ekuafo entimi antono akafa chiche omuma fertilizer na da hosa e ma fertilizer na be say
wonso so eden ena ka ede afọ me ngo man no esay
ye ku adwuma ewo district yi my problem is uye ku adwuma na isi abe owe oba fa ni nyina ase ni nyina abre unu obi ani wo ba beto nti wutia na ho kire na wotim ye ku adwuma ewo district yi my problem is uye ku adwuma na isi abe owe oba fa ni nyina ase ni nyina abre unu obi ani wo ba beto nti wutia na ho kire na wotim nti ye hu ise galamsey no gold wa asase no ene sha asese ye de ahoɔden be ye ni sika de ba kan afidie ma ye de ahoɔden ebetutu fam ne ya pa ya no aduane je tutu ya nso ye tutu ye nya kakra de beto aduane abi ɛno nti na mbɔtɔ sɛ yɛtutu asase no mu
nti hyia me sɛ Mike adwoada ekosi efiada 4:30 to 6:30 p.m. na yɛnhyia ya badwafoɔ to adwen yɛhwɛ kwampa bɛfa so a ɔman no ebetumi atumpɔn.
Kumawood TV amansane yena yediemu
so na bebetumpɔn a egyina yɛhyɛ a amamu mpanifo ɛyɛ ɔmanfoɔ no so atumi aboa ama ɔman no atumi apagya efiri atifi ɛkɔ atɔyɛ ɛpoyɛ ekosi anafo obi ɛkyɛ na adwen ebi so ɔman ne kɔso ebi so ɔman ne nkɔso
right yema ahefo akwaba ene eye ebnada the 12th day in the month of May 2020 atena se emra so se edwumadi a 3 days no pi yetumi ede ebrewo na ene nkomo ewo Ghana benyamre na yetumi edi nkomo no na yesini pi ewo ekwampapa so na we say the novel coronavirus no the Ministry of Information kojo upon kroma of fonse ayedu masibidwani waye centrifo nhyiamu akire sede yare no yakakudru na meno ka say so far 5127 cases na my Ghana yenya the new cases are abeka ho no 427 with 22 deaths and then information yewo and is about 130 you are medical test negative omo go through the second test na ya so muso bitimi test negative again na omo aba be kan 494 so far omo recover no ehun kobo ewo ha ebenyamre na yetumi ede wonu se okupie mu ewo oboase a enei in Ashanti region oboase na ye declare as a hotspot with a total of about 272 cases of COVID-19 but ever transiyano na confirmed we are say about 300 obuasi in Ashanti region so far the penifodi tuja ebeko ni akoti na uhwemu a na je say Greater Accra Tema na Afrin so na Ashanti region na yare no economy pa some of the areas are mo edi tuja say yare no bo modi economy tentem no within the Ashanti region we were bossy free wa bit to say ofori krum yare no economy ho swame aboaso na bit to say otafo yare no ekoso ho sanso na mpanifo to just say Kumasi metro there yade say yare no aba from kakra and then in Greater Accra region yare no ekoso pa kloti yare no koso ho pon katamanso also nipa do no ano yare no bi Ablekuma West Ga Central wo nyina nso no yare no egusu a nipa dom ho na Tema West ade sana Tema metro nso no yare no egusu a edidem pa eho ebenyamre na yetumi edi nkomo nti na Ashanti region no 662 cases of COVID-19 and 3,981 in Greater Accra region, 154 in Central region, 52 in Western region, 99 in Eastern region, and Eguswa Yareno Ekro. And then globally, if you are seeing now, I dare say Yareno Buswa Ekumunipa, Tibetana say that's a can. Now, Ashen and so say a Yarea, a hard drain, one show me with Nyao, in Yanswa, Ibiana, and Far as and Papa Amefi. Globally, 4,303,206 4,303,206 every nipa yarenu enya omo ewo ewiase nyina wana omo ewu 289,627 289,627 ene omo a yarenu bi aka omo ewo ewiase nyina na je se eno so eno no but recovery omo recover so ewo wiase no 1,551,726 1,551,726 and one yare ni bika homo and so atumi atomo still the US of A and edikan ewo yare ni mu a menoka sense no US free wa Spain etoso Russia UK na aba Italy, France, Germany, Brazil, na afei Turkey, Iran, ansa na kɔfare by China enso aba ɛho nkɔmɔ ebe nyamre na yɛtumi adi yɛyi no free hɔ a mobɛka ya MPP amanyɛkuo no bɛdi adeɛ na mode to dwa sɛ National Communication Authority a yɛtwa nti aka na NCA kan na bi akɔso wɔ hɔ ama owabɛ $3 million akodi nkɔfo bi boto mu a ankɔ amfa mena kwan so ene kodi sa nkɔfo no eboto mu na ɛno no the former board chairman at the NCA, Mr. Eugene Bafo-Boni, so and the former board chairman for NCA, and then the former deputy director general for NCA, deputy director general for NCA, and also William Tevi. Ne other 3 na mo come 5 but then the court tenase na the Accra Central Court ekwa sitra High Court ase say enipa me ensen inform konkotum enfie edunsia the joint judgment no enti Alhaji Salifu Minina Osman a former deputy national security coordinator okomo for 5 years and then former Director General for National Communication Authority, William Tetetevi, and so Ekumu for 5 years, and then the board chairman, Mr. Bafo-Boni, and so Eko for 6 years. Until Ukambumwa now say 16 years, and Omo Ekakudi Ofias with hard labor. You don't know now the home and come, but never ya any Aku Musi. So and the Electoral Commission of Ghana. Mami Jane ne apam for akasa na the generation e kan say nche na minority leader e kan say bi e reform say PPs bi abana brum bi na da was nya no kre na the Electoral Commission are ready bibi o mo be voter register ni bia no are ready nti new voter register no o mo be na they will make sure say o mo yen so no o mo e be follow the safety protocols on penny any Ghana health service ede atudwa no say the obi nkofa yare bi eva nko yobi na as we speak there there say new voter register no the Electoral Commission are ready say ekwan bi aso mo beye yemi na mre na no so edi ho nkomo hyene so say o hwe on Kumawood television no ubetumi so no asan akre live on your YouTube channel YouTube no Samdakus TV ubenya ho eno no YouTube sanso na uyi free wa on Facebook no Kumawood Awards uko Facebook Kumawood Award obetumi ahwe live for ho Samdakus initiative and afi so Kumawood TV ho bina no we are live and enumre midin the same mic abajafa na say yenko take akra the Director General Ghana Health Service Dr. Patrick Abwaji editu jane obra Minister of Information Secretary for Nshia no na afi yensamra.
So far we have recorded as at this morning, working from the data from the 11th of May, 427 new cases, bringing our total to about bringing our total to 5,127. There's a mixed up. The total new cases from the 9th was 277, 160 for the 10th, and we have 427 new cases for yesterday. Out of that, 272 of them has come from Obuasi Township alone. 1,474 has come from routine surveillance, and then 3,538 has come from the enhanced surveillance, which we continue to do. Our total recoveries, as of yesterday, is 494, and we have about 130 awaiting their second negative test, which will increase the number of recoveries. This brings our active case search, active cases to 4,611. And as I mentioned the last time, the 4,000 active cases are those that are still in management. Either they are in isolation, either in a specialized isolation center, isolation at home, or they are in our facilities being cared for. 4,006 and 6 of them are currently responding to treatment, and 5 are critically ill at our various health centers, mainly in Accra. I will just go into the core cases as we have them by region. Greater Accra is recording a total of 3,981, an increase of 89, and I'll get into more details when we get to the district levels. Ashanti has moved from 355 to 662 with a new case of 307. Central region had an increase of 27, bringing their total to 154. Western region had 3 new cases, so they are now 52. Eastern had no new case, so they are still at 99. Upper West had no new case. Upper East had no new case. OT had no new case. And the rest of the region, that's Western, Northeast, Northern, and Bono, had no new cases as of yesterday. So the main places where we had changes were Greater Accra, Ashanti mainly, and Central and Western regions. Of the 89 new cases in Greater Accra, 40 came from routine surveillance and 49 from enhanced contact tracing. So far, 26 districts have been affected in Greater Accra. The current hotspot, that is where we really have new cases, are Tema Metro, which I will get to again with the house heat maps, Korle Klottey, Accra Metro, and Pong Katamanso. Now, so if you take a look at the next slide, which is the heat maps, you can see where the reds are. Tema Metro has become a major spot where we need to take a crucial look at. And the Tema cases, the 533 that came up last 3 or so days, we've had to do a retesting of those because they've done about 2 weeks. Currently, about 187 of that number has been tested. 50 of that number has turned negative, and we are hoping that by the next, we'll do the next 2 batches. We'll still have a lot of recoveries out of that group. You can also see that Accra Metro is deeply red. So what you have is Accra Metro mainly, Korle Klottey, Ablekuma West still remains a place where we had a number of cases. Okaiki West North has a lot of cases. And you can see that the rest of the Greater Accra are mildly, moderately inflamed. So you have the Gas Central Municipal, you have also Adenta area also showing some signs that these are areas where we have recorded a significant number of cases of late. But as you can tell, most of them have now recorded relatively low figures. So Shautu only reported 1, Ashaman 1, so Ashaman cases are coming down. But you can see that Accra Metro has also dropped to 10, Korle Klottey 27, and Pong Katamanso 24. So this is what is happening in Greater Accra, and those 4 areas are the core hotspots, but also tells you that where the virus has been mainly. You can do the next slide. That gives you more details of the Ghana Township. That we may see some of the communities that are really affected. If you come to the Accra Metro, you can see the Korle Klottey is quite above Accra Metro. Korle Klottey is still very deep. Also East Municipal still quite deeper. So these are available for us to share to see that these are where the real hotspots are in Accra. Tema has become a major place where we are currently doing a lot of contact tracing and follow-up to be able to control the cases. The next slide also gives you further breakdown into where we are in terms of the details. That gives just further details about the metropolis, where we have Tema, Newtown area, Asama, and then Ashaman still remaining a key. Well, the next major place is Ashanti region, where we have recorded 307 new cases. And out of that, about 272 has come from Obuasi alone. The areas affected in Obuasi are the Central Market, Wabaso, and Asonkori area. And a few miners has also been reported with cases. This is a case of the Central Market was a case of a couple who were positive, unknown, and had been trading and working with people for the past 2 weeks, and we found their immediate contacts, 17 of their immediate contacts being positive, and that has led to the spread in the market. As we speak now, the market has been closed so that contact tracing and cleaning and disinfection will take place. Currently, Kumasi report.
Right, Yama Makwaba. Nti yakohe Information Ministry na press conference omo ede baso na in Ashanti region 662 cases and I recorded in the Greater Accra region with 3,981 busua ekosro. But I say be attention opa eye Obuasi municipal unso Obuasi no ya chemu mienu and attention on our public of what's Nasi. Jake Azantilo, a regional communication team member for the NDC, Ashanti region. Jake Akwaba?
Yeah, no,
we have a code.
Oh, you're hard.
Good. But once I say,
Medase.
We design another come up.
Medase, me design or WhatsApp. Bedroom. One in Kuala Bedu or WhatsApp. One among my office.
Okay.
The Bedu, you have me a Michiapa, only 20 ni ya fani say. Kufimu. Ni F1 Michiao.
Okay. Na NDC to say?
NDC they say ya hoya pa ya jina nanso. Ya ready na kofa problems in Biaba. Sebi akai niema bibiri asha dem.
Ebi dey any speak out.
Say yet me nya campaign.
Speak out talk. Say no man you. I say na modeje man fa bi nche prepare manifesto.
And they say the year no.
O da mo mi. Da mo mi. Na his excellency.
Me see ye.
O sa.
Te me mane how ye.
Mo wi. Ti say mo wi mo manifesto no.
Oh ye bibia say nya say yare na nka ya start campaign dada.
Okay.
Nti ye dey o say na your mama starting the campaign no ko. So ba kaya or no break campaign ko ansa na president e be na so. Yare na
or speak out talk.
Sini na campaign bi ni dia ebiem.
Oh okay.
Sini ya campaign so ko kai oko bisa nko for say dey na ha o mo dey ni hia o to mo ka kire wa na wo dey aka o manifesto no na wo dey aye o campaign nti ye no anu no.
Okay.
Ti ye guso
na manya running mate.
So ya running mate NDC ye MPP for ni mu adwuma o mo ye nti NDC ye yi running mate 7 months 8 months da o he ya bakwasa mo a ye nye bi da intimidation nko for so NDC mu nko yi mu running mate na me hu say politics no wonnim ana won kan ana wonnim Ghana bakwasa ana wonnim NDC abakwasa because NDC ye nye bi da mo ya yi running mate ntantam ya yi running mate ntam kwa na ye 3 months
3 months elections.
Devia me so pa ko chake ya background.
Oh okay.
Ye yi running mate
e ibi ana
I see ye nim kwaya ya faso politics na ye no ye use strategies na ye te so hihye o ne ma ye na nsa no we nya so da so ala no we yi ubi na see ye ubi a nya no na hia tama running mate hia ehia gidigidi aye dey a wo kofale yisi ebietum a wo kofale na wo kwa so di nka
I will say, most of you running with them now. I never say Ghana for me so big match.
I never say,
Baumiana.
I know the say that I mean to say baby oh. And this is 2016 and I John and baby no. Here do to me now obi into a year.
Okay.
Seme ye yi running meter. Met my match daughter by me. Say one say me hu say wasa. Aye di me dey so. Oye wakusku wadru waye deputy bank of Ghana anu no dey obetimi dey wano account ba nye no aye common sense na experience ani dey politics ani fie nyansa na me ka kyerɛ wo
of course ni nyanso bi
ani na me ka no oni bi oni bi na vice president yɛrɛ bi a ɔde yɛ koduru yare aba hwɛ nsɛm a ɔbɛgyina ka ɔde energy compare yare asɛm wei mede awɔwɔ paa na ne mede tia no yɛsi yɛ sɔɔbo wokɔka ne yɛdi watam woyɛ politics ne yare ne kɔa ne ɛkɔ soro ɛna central gye mewo tie okra menim si sɛ wowu bi anaasɛ wonni bi ɛna wo so wonim si ne wo bi anaasɛ chairman so menim sɛ wowu bi ade no kɔa ne ɛkɔ soro yɛyi me koraa yɛyi me sɛ wurade mmeti a aba
regional communication team member for the NDC Ashanti region chairman Ernest Kwaku Agyei mention of second vice NPP chairman Kwara boko there okay 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 party no monso ne mate say you fight COVID-19 and na campaign team you muna mwele Ghana for na fight na because we say NDC plano COVID-19 technical team amon so boa so why do you say yet here so you
fight see nyai na dan ko ko so nyai ku so ana me boa ya to niema then anye bia no you say with 3 months in show here for the free ana me boa we let this bill omo right plan ya dia cha omo free wa onso no o de ekosoro no ya ma o ha companies are almost ya mo mu so what I say it tells you say we are fighting
okay
ya was a Ghana from behind ma o mu abe bibia obi ya so no akoyi ya hwe ho ya bo e ho bani na as a political party we ya don't want to na ye ntu nya do
okay
ye politics ni ye
okay
it is embra no aso say o say ye campaign team no ye come bom ye ma le ba bontin ye bra na aso see what say ye
okay
so what I say yes the mere fact say COVID-19 doesn't mean so a political party activities is easy no what I say
election no at all
cost the fact say NDC and all political parties say near bring you moduma dey want na one train COVID-19
NDC ye na djuma
masa na so kan ye no mo moduma
but I'm say Mahama the former president Mahama no okoto na yare ne ba no stop here
no yare
and we postpone so yeah
postpone no so the nam enche ne ma NDC for is it not still going on when you o order so enam o che ne ma NDC for na be boa what about COVID-19 no nam your politics no way man well the politics
Ernest Kwaku Agyei mention of second vice NPP na yene no edin kobo no ye hwe COVID-19 said ye isi edi ewu wiase na afi o man Ghana ma mention your Ernest so far utie press conference information ministry no ya Ghana cases no still na ekoso enenko no the new cases are aba from anyone in there 427 cases obuase in Ashanti region as obuase cases no was 272 greater Accra so was so is obuase has been declared at a hot spot again you need
you Mickey medase na ma minche wahwefo minche production team masa edmo boy duma na minshram tero be Ghana na moyeye minche party penifo chama undumi na pamfo na me commercial of kochia mention of addition na kwasi ko do minchia no masre police station secretary so akwasi wo
the campaign ko say
so awo ye adwuma
okay
gusu ye adwuma pa adoye no so gusu awo ye ma me nko askwara mampo me ne sepa na menchia MC ye aledu ene teachers winger e wa Ashanti regional ye pompo azadinda 47 e betimi ahwe na ye disuduma ye dia boa ye nuanu kankan aledu
ene teacher for
ene teacher for MPP for ya ke ho aboma ye tuza na mo no e dia boa na me no ka say madam hwehwe
okay
Veronica from the wife and then kwala ni na junior and senior
echiane pa echanta afori ni
yes
awonta
mami chia no wife mami chia no na
awonta
madam ya dawase usi dia wa hwe minu ya idea wa bɔ no nkwande wa ya wa bɔ nkwande pa madam ya salute ya chia wa no ya chia wa
Mickey nyame anim ni me hwɛ the rate and the messy kwa ayamaya na the emeden nso sɛ ohwemu a recovery rate no nso no economy so
and na waka cost to say you 5127 so far 494 and I recover and you hear ni musa baba 130 bi abeka nti you can say cost ro
so say ya de no nya ya de quite different from so fight ya de no it takes time
okay
so what you say na ya de no etimi akọ ba me dem at least it will manage this it will more test negative e ma me that's all say I don't do betting ya fight am ya de na ya e to antikra na ade e be se Ghana for ni e be sere mo pa se enje na e bi egu omo hwe no munyi so hwe obo ase omo nya lockdown di bi no na the talk say all is well no fi say no because I can't remember say MC no and the security council no started say omo chon marketing come fa so omo nye no omo enya adwene but omo say so we cases here be ya apart from bonina ye fenzen and go good ni no say o do koye no hwe dia ba nyina na koye enipa omo marketing
so central market will be they mention central market or and other there 3 areas here what you say
it tells you say on say ya na say ebu omo yini sa de ya de no so one more buy a woman who the best sign to the sense a company
yeah
nipa ba
fishing company
over 500 and something so
I was there someone say be omo ko adwuma
no man then unia obani then enti e be stress omo hwe say social distancing ni ayeke ka no ene nsa ogro ni ayeke stress no mask omo nyusu
okay
omo nyusu maye say onko na na nko ni bi onko na oti baabi ene bi e wayi kakra eye ba dwem ye hwe kasa obi e tie mu ton na de ade so say ade won tasum so what you say the moment a be ka baabi no abon be sell for some time and so no be wo it is one year for Johnson no sakoka e be spread so what you say enti e be kire wo mo say aban no e hye ya ode ato na yentie health service Ghana health service e futo mo de maye ene niema o mo ka che ye hwe so ye follow so say ye boa ama ya de kofo ye nyam ne ho beto ye yo
what has we not been doing right who said we ba say me pese ye naro no yankasa Ghana for no timemufo no e de na enye ni and then from the Ministry of Health from the Ghana Health Service and then the government no so no e de na hu say attachment a still no daily afi dey say I don't know a jam pokra than before
Mickey the ye Ghana for ye nyen say dey kan e bi so omo nyini say ya de no e bi so omo nyini say betimi ayeye and maybe so they share a dumini adan we any the cause of it
okay
so what you say and na kwa say obi share dan hu say e bia me wo dwem ho sa ya de no ekume so they don't see how serious ya de it here this is the major cause of it
and this Europe near Asian countries
now a day nipa over 2000 a day 1000 so what you say by you had a dumbi na adon ye
ma menko ahomana so na menko western region Elibu I will say Elibu a border town our western region yene Ivory Coast na ebohye ya reporter Rashid Mohammed Elibu yene nkodi nko musa na say border no so te Rashid oti enka ya mwadwo nyimre
yo mejo sumia
bibi aboko de
boko
good boy so far in say still now all borders our company atum Anybody say?
Mpacho man mention kayo.
Na me busa say in say borders e wo Ghana nyina no, ya borders nyina no, ya tutum. E obi nko e no bi aba. Wo alibu. E ho no so no e ho te say.
Okay, nana say music am yamfa ndaso samba which is then if you wash your free na and don't as they dia which is musician queen. Now my own mu enyi there. But I dey na from a dan na am president. Okay, they no want to bother him. Na mama obiara nko mama obiara so mba na de da me dimension na orokodo na emom no was hye bi was there ahụ na wokita cargo and also ahụ cars and kese ahụ wokita oye nzama was cross border wako efi ahụ so border ni tin so won so were bagana nyinara da mo nkofo de wo mo kwan e ma wo ba but onu mporo wahwe nkofo do wo car ni mo nti or number of people are already F1 and the ababe room nti cargo cars na de ana cars and kese ahụ nkofo mo nkoти aso nkofo minimum oye bus nkoteji and one more kwan ama wo ba aside on so no ahụ so wo kwan de osere wo wura oye omanim na wo baba to bibi and also I so wo kana anu so wo betu akọ Cote d'Ivoire and also border na ki wa akọ tazo no officers a when ejuma awo border na do no nti from the officers to claim the day and we to know dia kwanyaba wo ko ba de bia awo border na do.
In the information say there are some unapproved routes be hobe bi amanfo bitimi fam wuram epie esan koba ho no te say
okay that was what say what to border ni no that was when I even the union media how we feed the border no do and we did it so what to border ni media they also find another way once about corner no nti o man ko be was one she say akwana hu bi da se okoban da se ebia se obi be du Cote d'Ivoire na opado otra obagana ha no mo no kwan ana so wotum na was one question shin was one ba institution also was one question one day okokodu be no no sand dem Ghana ni na wa fra obi onim no be bia no na wa fra na question shin no the point so the immigration for the community not na ka question ni dem dem anara ni nipa on na adana so bi ni ga daw dem obi enybo kra later kra na nipa ni tum na wo pay na aka for kala ko odu be bi no so no ye hwehwe mi trend dem na station ka ho ni bi no na won ko fo bi juma nti ya na ngesa etu na mon bebre e ba da men zaman na no grade nti odu be bi no na be biara watch incorporation officers no watch incorpo de bia but odu be bi ahen fo no so wadi won ho bagim ahen fo no ka de se enim na se yetimoni enim na se bia indigenous will be an watch or that will be a across there on the Anfananka Sanas and anonymous or Pana on your buffer. And she also be a woody or the round of one or one also one more or mark of wood watch one mission back. And I don't know and also them in the Nipper the any penalty. So they didn't do that one about immigration officers so Bomazina, which when I was the Abed and Nana on fire, on some brain.
One of face masks, any other protocols, use of hand sanitizers, washing of hands, koso elibu.
Okay. Tama dam coronavirus day no. Beginning na echo stations because nine the next stations in which first. Foreigners no about station and all that they do. Until now you should be into ma'am your consulting for GPRT station for NFA and diplomat station from you know do come up yeah they want to one and also what started there also very back at TV with Yaman can between the Abba Banese coronavirus and when you can say up vantage point now this is the stations are the master young politicians national will be the Kurma for the idea also it will be aside on no but be about able there this is a face mask and also nose mask no it's only office secretary or program but they don't be lampado na nose mask send him be about there you see they look had yes you ma okay send you what but ako ndimo juma ho ako bank ho ni dia on dia before they go remember dey wɔbɛfɔ so ma hyɛ nose mask cancer with my million issue before office secretary like Bella the same thing at that place is ready where but the individual they go from there when I'm come watch the nose mask already it will be keke drivers custom bebre go keke drivers now bianwa or should be ordinary management na so other bono ba nti the man go take the nose mask go take the yada all in the dream. Ni corona so ni yusu no on said na on korban. Ma no do no for the kakao ha no hand sanitizer no ono edu de obi nam bia na so be nkofu ebi nkofu be 10 na ma edu de out of them nkofu 10 na ni be 3 we fit hand sanitizer wo na wo bobo na wo za bo ba ni ti nkaka kanga kaka no obey but adia Ghana for and million ma wo ha no na kakara do wo no I don't know say dia offer what today yalba no bi enyebu ha sana wa bo ho ba no sebe no kana no then nose mask e ka che bi obaka che de na la de da na mo ri ja ho ma obran sana wa ja ho na si sanson ko fa nose mask en so fa ho ti like yen sama dey face and so problems are face we have talking of fire panel about the media beyond balance coronavirus.
Razin, quickly, obi enya bi wo Jomoro Elibu Shase.
Okay, so far no ma four cases and what they call for test. No on 4 cases no obe no number 2 so far number 2 na waba 2 no obe no tiko bono ma 1 de call and if you live with the call but na no negative into 3 yaka wata 2 what the result whatever but for now the 2 no dey on there ya in na them play them 2 no be bad obo ko da na wa negative or the amen so far 2 result na negative.
Mohammed a reporter e Western Region Libo na motene kano eji uti no na ese Libo e border town no enkane no na amanfo wuram pisa na amanfo adoma chefi Ghana for one no na sanja wo na chefi yare bi no ho a no da abesan ye but so far they will say enye se enya de so bia no enya bi e wo Jomoro no e border town ho na ono no de no kan na interesting say ukọ Libo a offices no na enforce the use of hand sanitizers and face masks and those things no but Dr. Patrick Abuaje Ghana Health Service kasa no say no mo yam say was concentration no ko ba bia ana say nyumanima kunu no na was concentration no ko because omo yare no ana mo nya bi no do no ano efri enyumam dan say bia e be free fiem chairman
enti meke sera na me ka no Musa nana president Kasno can say, "Wa ubaya so den or say brano annuity." This is what I say. Idea or say ye ma ye security services no and start ye moduma. Also ni pagana for no ya ye padia e share. Ye dia no kaka. Them say they don't see anything serious about it. Senka oboase e start na engineer started some more kasa. Also later ma ono kra close wo market. Yes. It tells you because you catch on say social distance money adwuma that's a physical distance money no monpene you kasa ni ade any power confuse so our market o fedi sisi apa ko ba.
Okay, in the first place I asked a question what can on timamufo no but one of the government and Ghana Health Service so it will be just in a minute.
Yeah, and make us say say you enforce some brano. Okay. They say the government be na say they abane be no why ya catch say niam ho say ye ni etimi twe ho fure ho now say you feel say ye mrado no say mani ye adwuma na say start say chichi nkrofo what you say mo be buso no ye mamra no mu dia enu kakra be dey ebebem ana Ghana Health Service nso no ye do mo ase o ma ya de de mo ade mo de mo di ye also mo kache bo ma ka kire ye so what you say yo advance also ma ye no ma ka kire say ye hwe ni use this logistics. They
are on point.
They are on point.
The government is also on point.
That is it.
Just what to move forward.
Yes, you are sure. They mean friend our car. You will say we will produce me. Okay. And then we know we are not cultural. That's it. Yeah, but money you should be going on more. That's it. I mean, call Jake. My MIT frontier say, and a day set aside to celebrate all nurses
nti ye International Nurses Day nurse for we are nyina no ene ye celebrate wo na o say theme no nursing the world of health nti we are nyina na ye ebo nurse for abaso tutu ene Ghana nurse for Jake o say abaso bo no emfama to for ne aso ode
ni ama minchia ahwefo ne yansanda o masese o magyebre o mohwe Kumawu TV na minda masese mo ma yakwanya so na minchia me part for na menka se o monka o makumanto o ya na minchia former president John Mahama minchia minua George MPP regional communication team member amso o he tinichia no ba ma minkra ni emebi NDC ye nye campaign bibie no ayeye because ye juni Ghana for nkwa hu a chen to me nto hwe yanka ye opposition tinka ye senka ye kwa na esi ye ye ho ni ye campaign ye nye campaign na chama aka se NDC for ye campaign because of ahokyira aba na former president John Mahama oya obatampa no o chenie mani bi a chese campaign ba omude omukyade a enya campaign omude ne de normal omuchebi na sa ba nchebia so ni si nya campaign da bi so kasa anti musumi bi so anti MPs ni so na omuche na asofofo ni so omuche asofofo ni so ya campaign nti ade ntina ya ne ye nya atumusa onu anu ka memi nua chairman na mi nchia no na so no omuchebi nti na omusu ye campaign for o ma so le na so omu ye campaign for vote oh sabio si ye sa ye nya atumusa ha adwini because mi ti o mi hu kire memi nua chairman te we na me kono no o chama de ana oboa me a chese me ye campaign nti me ti se ye nua no mo kasa na me wura ho jo mama yen kan wi se wadi akonya ne da nti o wo ho kwan se BBC o Ghana ha o ti mi che o baka ya happy before ye nya atomo o baka 2016 ye vice president o CCA me ka so wadwane num bibribi o baka ya sinu o wo ha na o de nkonya ko ba bi ani na campaign na wa na so no obo Ghana fo o wa na o kotete school dem ni hu se nkonwa bi ni ho a no wa ye fast no amaka pintani bi abobọ nkonwa no no o de ko no wa free media fo no ma capture si sa atama NDC ne wa ba mu nti enye kwa nko on famble aban ko on fan koma ayi ya friends education service bebo si yan fan se woko si dia minua wo ye adwuma wo eso kroma mpon ya wa education service office wo bebo nti se nka wo ye papa on fan ko he ba no no na do ko straight school mu ho oh yeah ye nja sa anya to e sa abone nyankopon fa ya bone nche ye de ye stop ya campaign ba de emi ya mu ne ye ditumi ashamonsa asebi nkati aka se ye di na ta wo se nkofu e o mo di yare no ho fa ho e di bone o ka no mu di watam obi a aban committee a na na ko fa do committee oni na pamfo committee so mu ko dwuno o man no a o mu national chairman committee ni bi so ya we so constitution man kwa man ko bi general cabinet committee so say anu so na take decision ya de bu o man no onim say national chairman for libre ko bi Jomboadu national general secretary e ko bi anu kula ampo na mu ko bi amu dwuno o man no no mathematically si enyi campaign team
je kwa no kwa man so mra ye ko boase fi se boase ene nei nkomo nyina ewo the hotspot COVID-19 cases mamene Kwaku Amega reporter based in Oboa Kwaku e mo abe nri
radio so mira
boko hello okay mse Kwaku Amega entimi anya se sa akọ na ene na kodin komo Oboa se jikto so
it is dia na be ka no it is obi ahokyira aba na obi bua wo so wono de o campaign de emi ya na me ka se general secretary ne national chairman committee ni bi so we so omudi eniema ba omudi bi ma regional chairman for so omu nche omu na omutina ban cabinet meeting omu no mampanyi dwunu no adenti na omudi niema na ba ekwo regions no omudu kosi omu regional chairman for no so
omanfa nkoma
ya fa ni say ayi kemi anabia susi to say ya fa ni say assembly sini sa ne manera na omu nche na enwu say ya politics say MPP for so aya say amu didi Ghana for atam mu di niema ba nti jo ma na ho kwan so obecha de ana yesu ye nimu mu ni mu di ni kure o se case ni bi esi watafa obi koton mu na ye chana so wonim say o police station tafo police station sisi a
na katafo e be kam ho ama
okoduru ayi no ye chi nipa ko no obo MC ni di se on ye dema no enya bi na me ka we di o ye nsantwo no wunni asam no police station o sisi a ani na me ka say o police station so nko ye investigation so ati ase obi aboni di nti ye mfa niema ne mmra mo me de me wo me na me wo misika na ho kire aba na me tumi yibi di bua me tumi to aduane de ba ho se me de ndem me politics NDC enya sa ba de me ya ne se mo ko yi campaign team yare a ekosoro ma me fancy o na me ko yare no so me dia wo ho ne kasa enumere me dia wo ho pa ne kasa emi ya bibre me dia wo ho
ne kwakwa mega asa ba homa no so a bo te me kan mo adwo enumere
so me mi ameto nkapa
good na me busa se so far oboase ade na ekoso say over 300 people na monya yare ni bi oboase ade na ekoso nkasa oboase twamfuri na krakye hafo
ya me de ya ma ti kwa ban fam small tv dia minya ya la ho san kete pa ni mi compound ya chi maybe a temperature 205 eba be 272 2017 2016 ya ba aye Ghana ha dina efa ya ne ko jewo HIV ba no na obo ase to ye jinkan mako mpre ni ye fi ya ne ko jewo aye COVID-19 abai oba ya Asante Mantema na Ashanti region se obo ase ni o fe dikan na je de na ebusan aden de dia televisi o mai ba mo ana se riasia na obo ase ti me fe dikan na yenko aye COVID-19 aye kan wo teri e ano mampani e lockdown e wotela ataswa eni kumate na bo ye lockdown pepepe ani enyan bi ti program e ba boate na ba boate a abia lockdown no e ko denden no ye na boate fo e hwe ni monitor e bia na ye bia ba beka eye boate fo ni jino wo mo program mo Central Market wo mo program mo bank ahodo wo mo program mo ejeje ahodo no na ya yo support so mo de no mo boye ye feature du kwa e ba ye a ene abani se bi tu mo no ama aye yo program no ka sei o bo se puta be chanda ai ni ka ba ko enda wu ye che me te te e fe bi abusko ye da mo ye ni en pe fo ye se o mo de e ni pe ni bi ko o mo ko se ma bo dan na ba kwa bla kwanso a e ni pe bi o mo nya ya le no o mo ye se o die bi o ha o do bo anu so akatakata eti mo entempia me no kase isi aba ye oboase Central Market a ya tu a ye mu da empenfo edie ye empenfo akodi nkomo na de empenfo e kan na ne se o mo ye hihye se de be ya eti bi abo peso na mo de o mo ti so do bi enu abenu o be ye hihye e de ma e de bi for se ya o be ti ma ti che mu no mo ti mi aba be dida the fiti ebe fiti na no ya wada eti ada ne beti ta me ne de ogan ya de ya tuma obi enu a oko oba wo mo be bi ho ya fi kunka market na kunka market no sa na Central Market wo no na nya de se di pa no ko wo mo chi ya tuma ne pa nyina ko bua ene ne ne ko bo pem to aya DSP Martina Tenso abaso ene COVID-19 security agency na omo bo ba obo aso na so mo ba ti papa de o ma ye dumade o se ene tie bi wo ko na ni ponte na ko nta na e mo je no yi ene obo aso Central Market no e kwa dem na ara ho te ba ko ni te ye na me ba kwa no Central Market no o ya ne de china o mo di ko e ji e ho tete no o ko wo ano kwa ka on na musu man kan fo yan jere o bo ti mu no ma mi yen se de hu ni property a ya kan de o ni ya ni o ni aye o mo na pin so obuasi east ene obuasi west no o bo mo di ma o ma be tete man ponteso e bi ta man ponteso no mo tete ya no eno so na eno so ebo a se e ma ye hu ni property a ya ni bi etimi atom bi mo ti de let me can say you that so I'm not look at about the for okay and people on the party down wɔn kɔ tutu wɔn a wɔn di mmira so na ɛbɛn wɔ bia na face mask na sɛ nose mask ne di bɔne ho a kyerɛ amanfoɔ no ahyɛ aseɛ edi mmira no so ɛne ne nansa wɔn a na ka wɔn ti kyerɛ baabi te sɛ kontena makrin ɛne gold king wɔn kɔkɔ di wɔn ani no apolisifoɔ no kɔkɔ pam wɔn nyinaa fi hɔ a ɛhɔ no nso esi ɛso no bɛka sɛ social gathering no so no ɛso ɛte ɛwɔ ne deɛ ɛkɔ so ɔbɔ ɛsi no.
Na sɛ ɔbɔ ase no more testing. That's a more testing akɔ so ɔbɔ ase nti na ebi a yɛnya this number no.
Saa na deɛ aba yɛ no koraa ayɛ hu kɛseɛ wɔ ɔbɔ ase ne sɛ na de nka kasɛ maame bi a na ɔno ɔtɔn no ma central market a ɔmo de kɔ ɛyɛ AD hospital na ɔkoko hu ɛyɛ bi na akyerɛ no de ntumi hu nipa pɔtia na sɛ nipa dodo a ɔmo tumi kɔtɔ adeɛ ɔno a American sɛ ɔde yade ne bi ɛde ama ɔmo nkyɛn mayɛ sɛ deɛ ɛboa no yɛ na ɛhu wɔ.
Okay amega yɛn ase ɛyɛ na wɔn nso ahwɛ ɔmo yie ama yɛ why.
Mate.
Good. Kwekwa Amega ɛyɛ reporter ɛwɔ Obuase na ɔte ne ka central market no Obuase nso bi wɔ hɔ nti na ɔka central market nti maame ɔtɔn nneɛma ɔtɔn nam ebi ayɛ no ama enei ɛbɛyɛ dan koraa na obi ehun sɛ mekɔtɔn nam ɛwɔ maame asomesi nti ebi ame nkwa me nkɔ na me nso me nkɔ test sɛ ebi amanya bi ana sɛ menya bi. It's going to be very difficult for the Ghana Health Service team a omo ye contact tracing. But all the same yemo ye ho ban. Jake
Minia
me wate dey people wase.
Tisi dia na me ka na media ho pa de ka asem we. Na minim obisa chama question bi se abano abon ho badin anase Ghana for ne na so odene. Me gidi se me kokasa abano bon ho modi obi nkasa ya politics na me ye. Because me yan hu se adie ne koso no ka onyenka adie na aba ne ye na enye no kyese wo de wo ye politics nti da bia ya betena TV so a ana radio so a yan ka so mampanyi obo no ho mbadi
nti de na ko wrong de na right
ye me ya ne se na akufo ado ami se papa no pese Ghana fo ye nyina ewu ansana so obakwa na okọ because I am nwanwa because minima do konti ameka we adekọ de am ya ne say o kan na o maka cho so wo de compare ya de chenkofo bibire omo ya ameka sa be yanka mpese nka ne maami ana ne papa na ne nua bi ewu nipa 22 na omo wu so o maami bi wu yi bia ana o papa bi wu ana wo nua bi wu yanka won kan kira me say o de compare America o de compare Italy ye de ne dia ye
so
where did the quality you can be cry?
I think that we South Africa free one.
I
am more testing.
What you know, Mukachi said, the Africa, I'm more test. And as I say, I try my South Africa, I am more test. But it's South Africa, and they Ghana, and I am more testing. I see South Africa, I say, I know. Yeah, we case it South Africa for no, I am more testing.
Debbie.
South
Africa 11,350 cases in South Africa as we speak now. New cases in South Africa now 698 deaths 206.
And to all the young family good.
That's the truth.
I mean, can't say that so much as I media for me. So maker. Wako do you for website na okofa ono wakofa na de ntina sa na mutie media for no mu Ghana for obi ni to na mutare ne se chairman misra wo kasa me se de yedi sa me ko me ni omu nipa ba akoko radio so sa me kasa wo se ma nko school afa ye konko for no website na ye ntro afa no to na me se hey school for mu ni mo amokan ni
they were hey Ghana so they were ha no
and then me say so challenge you me say na me nko mani I na me say me challenge you to dey ma tantro to dey ma me nkasa na me nko mani na MPP for dey say ba akoko ante na makasi nipa ba akoko ewu a me di yawo nti so mu to no mo South Africa for 10,000 nti here 5,000 nti ya ade dia nti na ho nipa 22 ewu ya ka che so ya ade ba de me kan say aban ni mbo no ho mbodin o anu dia ho kwa na meka opa meka na obi aka sɛ politics a megu so aka so at chairman ko kasa me yedi eniyama aban ne ye no enye hwese ye mu bi betena ha ye program ya ka kira wo se communication e wo form na eso nsɛm na ɔmo ka kyerɛ ɔmo si yanka ya no ntum na ɔmo yɛ adwuma sunday na ɔmo mpanyin kasa na ɔka asɛn NCC dia ɔka asɛn ɔnkasa afɛ na ɔdi sika ma ɔmo ayɛ adwuma nti yare ni to hɔ twɛn no we ya ka de bɛyɛ 2 months ago say information na ɛwɔ fam na ɛso a ɔmo mpanyin aba confirm sunday afɛ na ɔso ɔmo ɔmo sika ana nya sa na ɔka na adɔfo na ɔka me de ni ntebɔfo nya sa na ɔka ɛ wɔso ɔmo ɔmo sika
100,000 pp's
na ɔmo sika wɔsa mo ɔmo sika nti yare ni ba ya busumi sɛ ni
ma ja busumi mienu ni
ɛna afɛ na wɔma ɔmo sika because sɛ nya afɛ na wɔma ɔmo sika nka ya hu ɔmo wɔ system nim so wɔka sɛ wɔma ɔmo sika dadaada nka ya hu ɔmo nka ya hu sɛ ɔmo yɛ adwuma wɔahyia bi fisi yare ba wɔyɛ nsɛntwerɛ ni amfa ne si gye kede me ka bɛka sɛ yɛ ndisi wɔahyia bi
I keep on
me just wɔahyia bi anu ntinti sɛ me obi ka sɛ ɔmo nyɛ ɔmo adwuma yɛ na me di saa nkɔfoɔ no wɔ yaw ɛdi nti na ɛtwerɛ sika ma ɔma mpanyin si yare ni nti amfa ne sɛ omas wonyɛ wɔ adwuma yi na yare aba na me fi sɛ wopɛ sɛ ɔyɛ wɔ adwuma yi na yɛtwerɛ sika de ma wɔ a wofɛ sika ne memfɛ sika ne mmerɛ ma wɔnyɛ adwuma no ade ntina yɛ ɔmo tuo na modi ɛna ɔmo nyɛ ɔmo adwuma yi ɛna da bia saa na ɔmo tuo na ɔmo gye pay wɔn na yɛ sɛ ɔfoɔ sɛ ɔmo sika bi biribi a ɔman ne di ma ɔman panyin ɛne na apamfoɔ sɛ ɔmo mfa yɛ yare no so no ɛdeɛ na ɔmo di sika ne yɛ ɛdeɛ paa ne saa sika na ɔmo di yɛ wote hɔ ɔmo dɔ ɔmo num ɛne yɛde wei aba ɛne nurses bi sɛ na anya yare no bi sɛ na ewu doctors so sɛ na ewu sɛ na anya bi wonim adekɔ kyɛ ɔmo nya bi ɛneɛ ba wode bɔ ɔmo ho ban wobɛgye atu sɛ yɛ no na ama ɔmo anya bi da bia mu mediafoɔ mu tumi frɛ ɔmo na ɔmo aka MPP foɔ mo bɛka kyerɛ ɔmo aban ne sɛ adwuma no mu nyɛ ne yie na mo to hɔ na mo de questions ne ma yɛn DC foɔ yɛyɛ ka ne kora ni so a na yɛyɛ abanya ɔtan nti deɛ ne ka ne sɛ ɔman no ɔmampanyin a yɛde tumi na ahyɛ ne nsa no yɛmu bi kan sɛ sɛ yɛte Kumase anaa yɛte Nkrɛ anaa yɛte kuro kɛseɛ mu a ne yɛyɛ adwene so yɛde yɛfa smartphone wotumi kɔm hwɛ TV wosɔ TV light wɔ hɔ obie no wasɔ ɛnɛ sɛ hwɛ wɔ baabi ɔmo se konkɔ kɛkɛkɛ no wonim baabi a ɔmo yɛ no ɔmo nyina kɔ gyina popɔ so nti ɔmo se yare no koraa ne so obi wɔ bia because ɔno na ɔpɛ sɛ ɔyɛ obi nti sɛ wote Kumase ɛnɛ education de yɛ bi obie TV bia ne yɛka obie radio bia ne me hu sɛ wonnim deɛ woyɛ because so wɔkyene Ghana na wonim si deɛ Ghana yɛ kuro nkɛtɔ no so ban so yɛ nneɛma si deɛ environment ne si deɛ wɔkyere so wɔ hɔ na nka wonte wɔn nka nkyerɛ me sɛ information deɛ yɛ papapaa because wotima nhyia no nti wotima nhyia no fo no deɛ wobɛhu ni sɛ wosɔ TV because wokɔ bedroom bi si hɔ woba hɔ bi si hɔ wokɔ madam bi si hɔ nti woyɛ da ya wobɛhu newspaper woguta smartphone na wokɔ na woka ba deɛ no pɛsɛ mekyerɛ ne sɛ mekɔ ɛwɔ mu apaa ne sɛ information a ɛwɔ fam no so a metie Obuasi interview no a moyɛyɛ no time ne so ɔbaa wosisim because woakɔyɛ kɔntɔ wopɛ ntam atwama no wokɔyɛ Obuasi kɔɔ no wote asɛm a wɔkae anaasɛ anu a ne 3 days ɔmo yɛ ɔmo adwene sɛ obi di ne fiama a ɔmo yɛ sɛ ɔmo di nkurɔfoɔ no kogu wote nsɛm a nkurɔfoɔ ka metie interview no akyɛ sɛ nipa no ɔmo nte yare no ɔmo nte aseɛ baako se because of baabi yɛde nipa de kɔ no yare ne bɛyɛ ɔmo ɛne yɛbi sɛ obi ɔso yɛse yare ne nam mframa mu tio Buase no no wɔse yare ne nam mframa mu nto osusu sɛ wode nipa ne ba hɔ nkoaa na ɛbɛnya no baako pɛ ne ɛka ɛsɛm a na mene ne yɛ adwene so security no odi ana nkɔfo na ɛde ɔmara bɛbɔ ɔmo bɛpie baso tie nsɛm a Buase ha yi a o nsɛm a ɔmo ka kyɛ si education ne wɔ fam no ɛsua yɛmo bi aka sɛ yɛnkɔ kuro nkɛtɔɔ no mu a na baabi a yɛ kuro nkɛtɔɔ no mu no a yɛmma yɛ information nkɔ fam yɛmma ahemfo ɔmo bɛbɔ dawuro ahemfo no bɛtumi ahyɛ na ɔmo abɔ dawuro ne akɔfo ahomakye na information akɔ fam two nimpɛ sɛ mɛti sɛ aban ne bɛka so yɛayɛ adeɛ sɛ wode compare country bi a yɛayɛ adeɛ saa nsɛm no mu ngyae ka na mogye Ghanafoɔ na ɔmo maame ne papa saa nsɛm no menka bi sɛ yɛbaako koraa no a yɛmbɔ yɛ ho mmɔdin because ɔmampanyin ka kyerɛ sɛ yɛkɔ lockdown ne yɛyɛ 130 ɛnɛ de ɔmo bɛkasa 2 years ago no ɔmo ka kyerɛ so aduru ni pick tab ne yɛ 3000
that was 27
ne yɛ 3000 ɛnɛ 5000 gugu so
127
wo ka kyerɛ me so o man panyin ya adeɛ baade ni kwa ne kɔ so o bɔ na aba so baade de wasisi mi
ɛna wɔte ne
interview akɔyɛ wo de aka me time
no sɛ ɔno deɛ ɔgye tum sɛ ɔmampani ɛne na kwanfo na mmɔden bɔ no ɛwɔ fam
kasa ne dɔɔso
twa yɛ homra yɛ ba yɛ bɛto aso
so bɔn man so ntwerɛfo ɛno ti ɛna Kumawu television yakɔfa dwuma de ato no din Sinupi ɛde ɛbrɛwo Sinupi ɛyɛ amanyɔsɛm Sinupi ɛyɛ nsɛm a yɛbɔ mo sukɔ ɛne ɛbɛdwafo ahyia adwada ekosi fiada 4:30 to 6:30 pm hyia na ɛne ɛbɛdwafo ahyia anyenyo no man ho yɛnhwɛ kron man no bɛfa so a ɛbɛtumi atumpo Sinupi ɔmpɛni nada wɔ kufado sɛn ɛna ho Ghana
yɛayɛ mmɔbɔ wɔ Ghana ɛti sika so ɔma ɛnya ohia man na nam amamu a ɛnkɔ yie nti no ɛkɔm de yɛn
ɔmpɛni dada mahama so sesrɛ
fertilizer yɛ kra ya yɛ tro sɛ yɛn tɔn not for sale ɛna obi deɛ not no wɔn hu for sale ekuafo ntimi antɔ no akafa kyekyɛ wɔn ma fertilizer no da hɔ saa ɛma fertilizer no bɛsɛe
wɔn nso so ɛdeɛn ɛna ka ɛde afɔ mɛn ngo man no ɛsɛe
yɛyɛ kuyadwuma ɛwɔ district yi mu ai problem ni sɛ woyɛ kuyadwuma na isi abɛyɛ wɔ yi wobɛfa ne nyinaa aseɛ ne nyinaa abre wonua obia ne wɔ ba bɛtɔ nti wotia na ahokyerɛ na wotim nti yɛhwɛ hu sɛ galamsey no gold wɔ asase no mu ɛna ɛhyɛ aseɛ sɛ yɛde ahoɔden bɛyɛ yɛne sika de bɛha afidie ma yɛde ahoɔden ɛbɛtutu fam na yɛapɛ ano aduane nti yɛtutu yɛ nso yɛtutu yɛnya kakra yɛde bɛtɔ aduane adi ɛno nti na mbɛtɔ sɛ yɛtutu asase no mu
nti hyia me sɛ Mike adwoada ekosi efiada 4:30 to 6:30 pm na yɛnhyia yɛbɛdwafoɔ ne to adwen yɛhwɛ kwampa bɛfa so a ɔman no ɛbɛtumi atumpɔn
Sorry anɔpɛ yi wadwene ne obedi ne wobɛhyɛ baabi a wodi uti bɛto na mebisa wo wadwene wapɔmuden ho ana ɔrɔfo adeɛ kye a adeɛ sɛn sɛ wapɔmuden betumi asipi asita ama wo na wobetumi akɔ nnwuma so na wakɔyɛ adwuma na wagyan bi de aba bɛhwɛ busua no a agye sɛ wapɔmuden asipi de ama wo empempi wobɛhwɛ a yɛtumi sɔre anɔpa timi sɔre anwumrɛ abribia ɛsɔre sɛ yɛkɔ yɛ nnwuma so na sɛ kɔba sɛ wapɔmuden ani hɔ a ɛbɛyɛ dɛn na watumi akɔyɛ adwuma na wanya sika de abɛboa abusua no ɛno nti ɛna Kumawu TV yakɔfa dwumadi a yato ne din wɔn kwa hia ɔdɔfo yɛkɔ a yɛba yi ɛtɔ dɛm po a ɛyɛ na wotaa dwendwene na wobisa ho questions bebree Kofi Adani dodoɔ no afrɛ me Lofty me no ba bedi ahyia e wo dwumadie so e dwumadie betimi aboa wo na aboa wa mo apomode atimi asipi ade ama wo yare wo hoyi enim abofra enim opani na enim odefo ensan so enim ohiani eto dem po a se yare bi e wo wabrabo mu a aya wo hunu anuane esese wodi a etumi eboa wo dwumadie so no ye to nsa afrɛ akukudam wona sabi wa ben no wonim de e wo apomode ho na yɛn nwa bɛtena se na yɛadwene kwampa a wapɔmuden betumi asipi na sita ɛde ama wo
Kumawu TV amansane yena yedimu
so na bɛbɛtu mpɔn a egyina yɛhyɛ a amamu mpanifo ɛyɛ ɔmanfo no so atumi aboa ama ɔman no atumi apagya efiri atifi ɛkɔ atɔyɛ ɛpoyɛ ekosi anafo obi ɛkyɛ na adwen ebi so ɔman ne kɔso ebi so ɔman ne nkɔso ebi no sɛ mfa so bɔ no man so ntwerɛfo ɛno nti ɛna Kumawu television yakɔfa dwumadi ato no din Sinupi ɛde ɛbrɛwo Sinupi ɛyɛ amanyɔsɛm Sinupi ɛyɛ nsɛm a yɛbɔ mo sukɔ ɛne ɛbɛdwafo ahyia adwoada ekosi fiada 4:30 to 6:30 pm hyia na eni abadwafo nhyia anyenyo no man ho yɛnhwɛ kron man no bɛfa so a ebetimi atumpɔ Sinupi ɔmpɛni nada wɔ kufado Saying, Ghana.
Right, yes, I'm a Kwaba and from Sinupi on Kumawood Television. You so you didn't come on COVID-19 and other issues. Yeah, now I say, so we share. Also, make me a follower on YouTube. I know yes, Samdakus TV, Facebook, no, Samdakus Initiative, Kumawood TV, and I feel so. Kumawood Awards. With me, I follow or drop your comments. Na Yamre and Kinkai and Farmer. So far, Mama Demo at the Abba. Candy Rain Kaswa or say we should all obey Nanado's advice by eating local food rich in vitamins to boost our immune system. The battle still remains the Lord's. Regards to Honorable Howard Kumsen. Then Rainbow also from Kaswa. So the Electoral Commission is an independent body and has the right to compile a new voters register. So if the NDC disagrees with them, they should also disagree with the December elections. Long live Ghana. Naomi Kumsen, Eddie Free Atebubu. I was watching you live from Atebubu. In fact, your discussion is on point. Please tell the NPP man that when you come to Kwame Danso, a lot of us are suffering. The education is not down at our end. And also, Farouk Tema. I say COVID-19 is a deadly and infectious disease, but so as other diseases like CSM, HIV, TB, etc. So soon we shall find its antidote. But at this time, Ghanaians heed to the advice of His Excellency Nana Akufo-Addo. Okay, and also the Abba and no, I don't know. Yao Nimako from Ejura Secheduma say Yadumako or say great. Say Mike, you guys are doing well. Please, we Ghanaians have seen the deadly and the wicked nature of this government. We shall vote against them come December 7th. No say the no teacher could do so. Or say Ghana is really blessed to have such a visionary leader like Nanado. His measures of combating the pandemic have no equals on the continent. The fake pastors are lamenting because of their source of milking their followers dry as being blocked. The ban should be maintained to the end of the year. Worship in your homes. God is everywhere. Right. Cindy Bai, I believe Udimaboni the Bai Kaswa. But say the minority NDC has chosen to boycott every activities now. I challenge them to boycott the new voter register and also the general elections. Well, Citizen Francis, and so they are the Abba, or say the EC says it will abide by the necessary precautions and safety protocols in the execution of its constitutional mandate. No political groupings can stop the EC from doing so. If there would be a queuing to register in the limited registration exercise, then there should be a queuing for a new voter register. New voters register now. Christian Amwa from Konongo, right. Sir Mike, you are doing a great job. Kumawood TV #1. Please tell the NPP we are not fools. Ghanaians are wise now and they can't cheat us anymore. From Teacher Constitution, you are more say, please, when is the Facebook president, John Dramani Mahama, addressing the nation? Dr. Bawumia is still waiting for him, so he should be quick and address the nation on Facebook. Dr. Bawumia, aka one man 1,000, is waiting for him. And so if he doesn't want trouble, he should keep quiet. Right? Father, I always screen anymore. We say lines, no WhatsApp line, or Fabra, Ninyamre, and Kinkai, and Fama. Higher Kumawood Television, and Fasada, and Fama Anolin Royal Enterprise. Makachlo say, Ope, baby papa, after instruments, Eddie, a Bua sorry demo. Also, Ebia, Oya band group B, Momotonyum, and Yum Kufu, Monswa, Ebia, mobile sport B. Now pay quality machines, quality instruments. ɛde agu sport wɔasɔre dɛm ɛde ɛyɛ adwuma na ɛyɛ Anolin Royal Enterprise ɛhɔ no ɛboɔ no so wɔ fam paa na wɔasɛm ne sɛ yɛde adwene ho nti yare aba na yɛbɛma mmɔka bebree ya spread sika no nti sɛ yɛ 1000 Ghana cedis a wotwe na kakra kɔpem so betumi atua wie ɛnema no so no yɛ nyi mu hɔ ansa wotwe akra na de ama na obisu Ghana bia obia no bra Kumasi Krono ɛhɔ ɛna wobɛhu Anolin Royal Enterprise sɛ ɛyɛ a set of drums sɛ ɛyɛ keyboard sɛ ɛyɛ all kinds of guitar ɛna wopɛ sɛ ɛyɛ microphones ne nyinaa no woba Anolin na yɛbɛnya bi atumi ɛde ama wo a ɛboɔ no nso ɛwɔ fam paa wobɛfrɛ ɛwɔ homatufo so na enya kwan so agye so fefefe ne ama ne bi atumi atɔ 0244 073525 0244 073525 frɛ yenye so na afi yempe ne bi emfa ema mo so abopɛ bi ɛde ayɛ campaign so no mo ba ɛboa mo amonya bi ɛde akɔ campaign amekɔ chairman Ernest chairman minti kakra bi on COVID-19 no na afi electoral commission say omo bɛkɔ so ayɛ new voter register no the safety protocols no ebeto and then government also echo cabinet retreat and so I can say o intimidate obi a obama electoral commission na djuma ama political party bi anso no out to fairly and this year elections no be free and fair minti
yo only amendments na dem say be clear of COVID-19 ma dikitiase say abai no every no dey buy or the command na and churches.
Okay.
So, on check committee and yet MPP chairman, regional chairman, and a chair. MPP as a who and so a penny many and I want one casa regional chairman, and so every key show say on the map on providing a distribute.
Okay. So when Mahama not all channel, no more say Mahama campaign. And then sector minister gender eka say na wasanka on penada Mahama de na manakra no e de ebre da put quarters no mo hwe eche ade na mo de mo che de a mo no mo che ma mo party for so mo mu na nche amos ma fa ko ma mai no
tie de meka party e donation
okay ade ma hwa mo
omba ko ma ko 19 omo ka say donation ko 19
ya kai ne
omo wan kasa e so fi say omo wo party ma
okay
also mo so hwe wo mo mo bi so ti ase
mo de ko ma party
omo die no tie e me cho ni say omo die no omo ye no say be huni say party colors any ya rap ade no na ye che wa mo bi dey dia dia nye campaign boy
yes true
no nye campaign ajo do
se ma so tiwo ehin na won huni bi won ka
bi se be mo bi ya rap no NDC colors a ye che
okay then me so me hu bi a Dr. Manfo for recruitment o Kumasi pano na ne phone ni bo ho
let's say Dr. Manfo ono ye pia o wo ko no so nti a wo ye bi ma
okay
so ti ase
e do mama de o
we did the MPP service
chaba me dia chao me dia chao
okay
electoral Mami James. Let me say constitution emano. The quine also pass away the so I don't know if we say ya appointed no or better name no offices ye new aboma new registration at Bebo. 80 I was say and brown they got to hope and the man was say as a political party in this na media ya na me kase media me kasa ma yisi boss me kasa ma political party ana woni be ya adwen say MPP if we kase ye hear new voter register enye ne we have been trumpeting this over years ana amaso ye ko limited registration ye atoaba ye to bi nu meni ni say abade ye to ye no na na do ko akufo ana this current amount ebo ano
okay
ebo di bi ni but yes look at so clear or see or no but you know any technical advice wanya any sensitive people ye yen kasa alaji benzen former yisi boss ma ko Amadu Sule ama benzen yisi boss can say go to transfer illegal votes any koku ye electoral system no e tire say ye old system dey won A touchman. Was some I yet here, so by technical advice on the machines you use. It's obsolete.
But around the opposition parties now, like I said, a reporter, a technical team of the man, which they say, and the IT experts, not the man, which they said, truly said the machines are absent.
Mickey, easy, madam, he doesn't report to NDC or report to anybody. What in the home? Well, not report nobody amano. Everyone say this is what I'm doing. All that you need to do is prepare your members, let them come and register. So just say, na se bi umia. Ghana for mo abo no mo ankasa e na wo ho. Obi afam obi. Yenim say a new voter register. Wo ye Ghana ni ba. A wo di 18 years a wo ko register bi. So de na ye ende wo yi. Yenim sa former president John Dramani Mahama. A brana e finish oba na woman na no te former EC for.
Sorry to say
it so no. O ma yati say yenya shall to say ma ye be juma. Na yisi aye fair. Enye sa enti tie be na aba. Na die ye new voter register and this is say omo chom ho ase.
But yare ya be. Chama yare ya be. Ye bompa say yare be kwai nyanko yi. Why should we be thinking about this new voter register?
Miki, yes, COVID-19 aba. COVID-19 aba. You know COVID-19 so it's NDC prepared. Say, on that say I'm 12 about 2020. About 12 2020, I will be happy. Now, yes, boss say, message said, "Dear to one, you bet me this so. I'm going to be a registration. I'm an IE. These political parties are almost so on TSC. Almost any limited registration. Limited registration. I didn't say on anybody go ever.
But the number, no one will say,
the number, it doesn't care whatever the number is. The procedure will be asked to register.
Why do you say, then I used to beat me a many panel crowded?
The easy, betting me and I say, when it's at this time, police stations, or what it is, I'm a number.
What the same?
Oh, share or more attitude.
I know so we have the old police stations. It's in creative income.
Oh, okay.
Oh,
we know say they have done some.
Oh, okay.
Then we want some information about it.
I don't know.
What's that? Answer the one better started with no creative about public. And now the secret about public. Say omo create new event saying police stations. Look right. Why that I also you?
I want to see it.
I don't know. I was say they make sure social distance be here you.
I'm on your phone anymore. In the picker, moon so be who say obi nyemfie do mo hwe obetwere din moon so obi nyaga ni betwere din. Do you think say mentem penche no
penche say and they say so if we say they upon the 18 years challenge for more a branch and sababa we already said me minimum no ya wo na mitina ho but na say minimum na wo se onya 18 years what challenge okay nya to ba new voter register is not about fighting a year and year
okay who see the PNP before more support it
me they me see the PNP support 100%. Okay in that man say COVID-19 you need where they go okay me that per se and you doesn't mean say political activities and so that's say must say you ba Jake
un say ewia so kontompo ba kwa aso kontompo be 20 no what me there a different room minu ya chama wa brepa ba obisa the question se pa say mu de mu nkofo oche ono ankasa ko adu na odi na chiuma nshia no fa ope akosi ko adu no omu ko chebio meba omu ko chebi ani de omu ehunu nyansa se yamfa nkoma obisa o ya ade pa so obisa se omu ehunu nyansa se ye nyina eboa
magama ehunu nyansa
amina me de onu ni hye ho etani ewe nya tambidi ya so na meka na nka menka ni se ya okay mun kire me dia menka wuti ya ka adidi joma ha mata wuta ka joma ya ka so didi na tamti se o ka ten so ya boa nkwa na so didi na tara baby o ma menka ba so o ka tie panyimu se this o ka ten so ya boa nkwa na so didi na tama Uti a twantro bibiri tu no so say oye campaign. Mi wa na oye campaign. Dia me ka ne say. O de say sa wedding na nya mo fa ma ye afiri ho. Ba dia me ka ne say. Obi ko chaade a. Anu no die aya politics na wo ye. Ba mu die mu no mo MPs. Echebi. Mu mo enfa nko. Mu kura de mu di mu posters. So ba kai. Bucket ni ko mu di mu posters. Abobo ho. Ana me no ka se be bucket ni sisi bia ko ho kwa nso sisi no. Mudi mu posters MPs ni do mu posters abobo ho. Ada ti na no man fa ko ma ba na nche. Hey. Na mudi mu ho siro. Ena na me kan lot of ba ye to ma na edum so ba yi. Se na mudi abonti na mututu mu oba. Man ti ban boa. Na jo ma ba de so ho kasa nyina na o de ni sika so boa. Gana fo na okoye o mu papa no. Wa koye. Ha, anu na mu ba ka de ndi ye begusu aye. Ye begusu aye sa adoye no. Mudi mu chebi, obi de o chebi ya politics na wo ye. Mu kura anu mu chebi. Mu amuti akonwa no so. Enti de me ka ne se o tia ye so. Omu de omu chede omu de ni de nya politics. Ye de ni de nka kwadu na odi na chi. Akosi kwadu na odi na chi. So be MP na etu no. Edi enti na wo che. O dada da otu onyina na o cha ade. Na o che constituency na de minimu no pretty. Da be na wo che sa ane ma no. Ja sa asem na wo ka no. MP ni kwet, MP ni tu ya che no. MP ni constituency ni. Ani mi kama se ti mi kama samai. So no ye. Ti mi kama o ye MP wo de aban sika na echa. Wo de aban botum sika ya aban sika na o de chenye no botum. Ti si de ko du ni de botum cha no. Aya o mu ja sa ani atum no. Chama wu ko asole. Ja sa ani atum no ka se na. Ko du wo di na chi a wo che na ma bebre ya wo de. Mi wo na se mi ka bu ko so no aka asam no. Enti me pese me matie fo hunya atuma wo ye ko wudi mu na wo che ko nso si chama mu wiya ne ma ne ya ka mu so abai sika na ya ka mu nti sika bibrebi na mu de ye de minua ne se letter commission for no mu di omu pe na omu ye eye no kure nti minye de wo pe Ghana constitution ne ya ba ko pe senka letter commission for ne de omu pe nka salot nka oda so ti akonwa no so meba okay meba wo de yanka no kura hefo na omu yemi no so oye de omu pe na omu ye nka oda so ti akonwa no so emra ho because of yesi bibinti why bibinti ane mra Ghana constitution no ka che ne se ade na wo ye nti won ko tena nchen na mu yi ni na mo de ya fa ne se na je bae je mensa bae wusu te se de omu pe na omu di omu wa de ka kire wo wa de ka kire se de omu pe na omu ye u bi se question bi se letter commission for no betima hye ne ma ama ya kotu odi enye omu adwuma no na me ka kire wo MPC ne NDC MPC ne ba ka se aban na koma omu ne omu de bo omu ba na omu yi anu se enye no kure omu ana ye omu bi nti yanka no kure Ghana ha yete letter commission for no ska omu de ye omu adwuma no wana de ma omu aban de mo ya to na nya budget nya parliament na approve nti NDC MPC tina parliament ne ya wo de budget ba ne approve ska ma na kina ade foforo bi ba na wo timi prove ade ska kwoto a na wo fa ba parliament a asamen yanka we logic wo de logic we because wo na wo peska bia de ye adwuma na wo de ba parliament ni wo your budget nyina de aba meto we meye meboa satam na mo ye budget ndi ba na ye nim si yare bi baba nyeso se ne wo tese min ka so nyeso ni ho tama mo de budget ko parliament o mo ko defend ye aya approve mo mo no na yare mbai enti se yare aba na wanye ska koto eniema wo di ye na mi me approve ska ne ma wo no mi hunu be bia wo ye ska ne free enya aba na ho ne na wo di subo ne baba meba emi so obi kwa na cha omo omo na meba gabi wo ma ye nunu ye won sere media for enu tina enkofo form hu adi me si bitina fie na me watch BBC ni sia na me hu se omo ya ade chem because o ka se wo tina ka se omo betimi do omo sika anato obi na eche omo niema anu na me ka kira wo ne se ade bia wo ya abaya ade bia nu tina Ghana akrampo no o mampanyi ya chana ade a ya sese ya chana ade a wontimi nje no enti letter commission for bibia ba fufuro nese omo peska ade aka wato bibia se omo samba parliament ni approve because of yare ni nti ni approve no omo de koto ba se ye huni ni ye ka wo se enya no kore just like that ma media for man bi so o say it is kan mu nya free hin ana mo de ko to ne ma nya free sa ko si we kan ni kwan say miye na mu bi sa ni kan say mu bi so o so okay mu de bobotu mu sika na ekoto and now obi na sponsor mo obi so be sponsor letter commission for just Ghana for nyina ehu o to ya we say amane no mo be bo letter commission for nyina no omo ma obi ehu because of omo fi say omo ye omo adwuma comment akwa bi ensi enu ti da national I the whole world ya no omo monitor say lessons bi akwa ba bia no omo bua omo no se de ba ya omo ne ba koye but two NPP edi enkwa na mu je owi ase sa Ghana card asem ya kan sa tam na Eastern region na record one case mpo o turo di ya ka kire omo so da bi omo betimi ahihye ma ya turo di ne wonu aka ne kure aba ya video so ba ya no
na omo ntimi
ne etesa ana Eastern region omo record cases ni say
I think Eastern region am
omo be 50 something
yes
omo di na omo ko 60 he aya na ye dwa ye num bebiri kansam so omo betimi ahihye ubi say chairman say ye tro ni paka krebi omu ni edi card no o say eno di eni ni nsi a chairman sambe na wo kan chairman
52 cases in the Eastern region
chairman sambe na wo kan wo mafo na wo no mu wo fie sise wo ya de ama fo no e ye difference wo ya de ama baako difference wo
99 cases
Eastern region
99
sanity enti say akase easy omo pre omo me dem aka me yes I say me can say me cho say na akufo ado de on fire ho so anya 80 or 80 years nyankopon adom no wanya 70 aboro so wanya ntoso okura aka ho nti say ono okwa wukwa wanya de nyankopon asira no ba ye na ne nanam na odi ga na eja ya no on fire ho so fire ho a ka de we yare we chama ka so onim ye nyina yete ye nim ada yare ne bako ana o kan na o baka so se duru 7 December no na se NDC for ya nto aba NDC for beti ase chama we odi ye ayate se de Dr. Bamiade energy compare yare no Ghana constitution na da hot clear se 4 years no so BBC panyimfo adwene mu no omunim se bibi betime si BBC a chief justice ana eso we akire for 3 months ni akoto aba nti sansem na wote ya kan se NDC for beti ase a we nya wadwene so de ka ye de constitution e kasa
je facility mame in the electoral commission say omunya information bi amfa mfiri aban na ho ana say omunya information bi amfi baby say bibi yare ne ntini ntimi nto aba
so omo de baba ye de ye mbobo ayan ho because media say yare ne kusi de so kosure omo bi e kina mi ye nkotro
okay
NPP for nkotro na tumi no omo di omo beduru se beto aba 2020 ne be wie no na se Ghana fo nyina ewu a ana Ghana fo nyina yare a ye say babu say ewiasa ahindie o say ajapade na awiasa ahindie ehia okra onwunyia nti so mampanyi MPP fo amukọ asole de bia meka se na nakofo ado de mi hu so okọ asole ono nkwa de mi huni mi nua chama de okọ ba ono de mi huni ne die tumi wiase tumi no ti de ye ne de net letter commission fo na je wo batan na no nu ka chen so onti sa ban man report bia so yare bi wo honti to ono de oboabo no wasie dia ewiase nyina ehu nyankopon ohwe no papa maame panyimu wabata senka bi ka ne papa na bi ka ne maame anka be me de pa na ne babi ka be me de pa
my phone number is Meka Akra we every obey Michael obey say hi say Mike you are doing a great job watching you live from Musrati Libya EC have it right to compile new voter register NDC like it or not my regards to chairman okay and then all NPP supporters yetwe homra eba
o sorry anopai wadwene ni obedi ni obehye ba bia odi uti beto na mebisa wo wadwene wapomuden ho ana orofo ade achi a ade esen se wapomuden betumi asipi asita amawo na obetumi akọ so na wakoye adwuma na wagyan bi ade aba behwe busua no a agye se wapomuden asipi ade amawo empempi obehwe a yetumi sori anopa yetumi sori anwumre abribia esori se yekoye adwuma so na se koba se wapomuden ani ho a ɛbɛyɛ dɛn na watumi akɔyɛ adwuma na wanya sika de abɛboa abusua no ɛno nti ɛna Kumawu TV yakɔfa dwumadi a yato ne din won kwahia ɔdɔfo yɛkɔ a yɛba yi ɛtɔ dɛm po a ɛyɛ na wota adwendwene na wobisa ho questions bebree Kofi Adeni dodo no afrɛ me Lofty me no ba bedi ahyia ɛwɔ dwumadi so ɛyɛ dwumadi a betumi aboa wo na aboa mo apomode atumi asipi ade ama wo yare wo hoi enim abofra enim
yes I am here for Akaba and from Kumawu television yana mo asem gusu amohe channel so say on Facebook Kumawu Awards Sam Darkus initiative and afi so no Kumawu TV obehu live Facebook so and na YouTube no Sam Darkus TV with me ahwe so eho enche ba homa no so na mafre na ndo waje nchira ba channel so say o ba mu a ube lower the volume of your TV set no na etumi ate wonka ye what's the official dia or dia ba message kakra nyi fu na afi ento this Mike please tell the NDC man to speak the truth and stop their usual lies of propaganda and lies. Okay, he should tell us what the NDC government did when the country was entangled with cholera outbreak. Okay, and also we will say good evening, Sir Mike. Please tell those not using the face mask to use face masks. Okay, be kind of catch them with the I am faster and from a cafe capsules. And men man and Modi bakwa banono wo ye bema wono yehia mu a sisi ya na waje mu sisi yare nti untimi kwa no yehia mu adwumaden untimi nya bi bema so adwumaden na yere bo abaso sanso na ho na so bema no so fitaa bi firi mu eba ho na so bema no efon na edwo bomodin a nepe kafe capsules ni bi ebetumi edi wasem no edi amount we eye the Food and Drugs Authority for agiatum nti unya bi no etin abo pa sanso na ma no wo so no kunu da wonti atenka bo so me so a ho kire pa o menses no untimi kura adwuma kura na ya na oba na ye den pa pedo ni bi etimi enom ema no a ya na nsu fi bi firi mase eba na kanka ho no nya bebi no betumi abo pa se eye oba yare rasis bi kwa gwa ya se a na se wase ho no a ono bi betumi abo kafefe capsules o man gba na be bia eton do de okọ ha obenya bi ato chane so se enye kafefa na nya do bia 020 718 3819 020 718 3819 from one omo ebejo so the bia homa na tum obetumi afre na braje nche no aba on 0200 603 602 0200 603 602 to honest
okay na Jake to constitution be na approve as massa yisi boss baba clear say omo nyine me bia omo koto nyine bia say NDC for free say omo akoto nyema no mo issue of court ana de e kan say ka say yisi ewo ne emra ebo no ban ama ne de ye adwan ka say bibia wetimi ye ka say dem for say wo mra you work within the jurisdiction of the law aye de amawo that's what I'm saying enti ye yisi no ayo no mra ayo no ayi ni event akwanya aban de ama no say woda audacity say so we feel say amom
mabia homanatum 0200 603 602 your screen ania lines no hobetimi afre na afi atonka tanato so
enti say o feel say amom na ono na ebe to abana ma yeyo ono na ebe ye referee enti ade o feel say oya ebeboa na ma Ghana yenye free and fair elections no eno no also oye dey oye
okay that's it
me say o say yisi for so mo nkoto ni ama na yisi for anka nkyere mo say omo twedi na omo di nhihye ya betuda na nhihye ya beba
ndeza me kire ma adwene kakra
why ma kire adwene yanko
we ba say e o say ndisi so no mo dwene na nam papa no omo me papa no pa na de papa do ya mo ye ana mo fa sa politics ne ntwentwen ni en se ya le no wasam ne enka no mo ndan so mo de hawo me ne gu papa ne so omo ndan so mo ha papa na papa no ye bi papa
okay
ya da busiam ndu bisa papa no ton mana no to be ni papa bi no na nko mpa na
okay mama ya na say eno wa say mbisa o ji bitimi afre hello good evening
Fine.
You are free.
But you got the Bazaka.
Yeah, oh, so you didn't have free.
Yeah, my being fairly. About to alone, more can watch and say about to young to about and what's online your card. Now, a queen on person queer. Now, say I knew you are Nipano agriboni wo gane ni timba obi timi di ma mu wo obi tima bo wo mpo mana I wanna state mu na se inki se nipano bo wa no na se saa yare no e ti nipana wọ́n na betu aba no okumi yai eya na yanko yare no wọ́n se yare no ebetima ye bi wo ebia bibiani aye no ya se na kwalanta no ko se yi ofo ha na se mini amti o manyabi na se mini ko wu ma metimi pie na megbe ma pie kwa abeya wo tuna no kwaya na so wo su be wudi ni mo so me fa so nse den na flow ya bi nkura ya ni tagi papa wo
okay
ya na se ya den na di bia papa
okay
no ma ya ni we yare a ebi ho awo no mi fi ni ye pa ana se telefone ya plan
hello good evening. Good evening.
Hello, good evening.
Would you have free until?
Me ba che friend so agwa me ka se free jira.
Ejira until.
Imagine she ni say ntia se ewo ye Ghana president na Akufo-Addo. Kama yare no ewo se page she say lockdown. It say yare na me 5,000 something. It say CMP. Na say so na person you. I didn't know say yare na doso krampo na CMP. Me dream say politics na dey yare no. Ana figure so the figure the bia dey chi ya nipa yare ka but you pana chi ya nipa chi na yare nipa chi na yare. The bia figure na chaba. It you say politics na dey yare no. Ska won dinchi.
Okay. Yeah, that's it. Good evening. Hello. Hello, good evening. Too bad. Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Would you have free until?
Bacho.
Would you have free? Offer I mean good evening. Hello.
Hello.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Would you have free until? Okay. No, TV set in the casa yanko.
Anything program and person basket.
Yet you are.
When my green train in case your man you know when you take a cry and the mouth might not be in there because I would be able to register and say young concrete dinner taking in arena. Not say even the arena let me cost with a kumikana once no baby you will be as you put in a do and to come work a can on one farm more I say even it's a bamboo on the Bama arena for free man common cost on more Nanka, young train. Dan so mbe se yon koko kiri ko na ntwa baba to ni yon mo. Kene nkeni ano etiso a wo kan no. Anti ti so nse na mu tikata na na se na mu tiye nyama no. Ai ta abato na dire nkwa na wo mu tiri mu. Be se man no mbe boya ma yare no eto ka na ndi ohia o mo. Ma de nkyere no.
Oye da sifa. Yeah, good evening. Hello. Hello, good evening.
Hello.
Good evening. Good evening. Free until.
We can say I think they go.
Asanko Udi.
But within the of Pankroma.
Pankroma yanko.
The party the me huni say aban no go want to na buasi. Nanka yale yin kopo na tia what na metala ibi asan gwa ha ko mbona na ye card no. Ni bet mi ko travel ma be 4 days ko na onya card ni bi o me ti ko sala na ajo na se ya woti me wan ze ni ye no asa de ni ma be bri ya sa ba ni be ta ba na se ngo won to no buasi neka ya lerin ko ko na se then ye se next 4 years go be the bet di na ya se di ni ye be ta ba na ye di na ko kwa te ni ka se se gwa western region
of Ankroma free Western North. Good evening. Hello. Hello, good evening. Hello, good evening.
Evening.
Good evening, Afri. Okay, yentio. Yentio pa.
Na me tell me can say, politics na obi na ye no. Obi anja politics na me ndri ye no. San say, tempo nyamia sempo no, ntimi nkonkoye. Ye titifie na ka we first number ni ntimi wura maseleki nesala. Me ye titifie na mo de politics ge ni question. Enye ni pa na beto aban. Nti ife le mo complain ya na mo yam politics na na e yan kopra, so na nye force.
I might say good evening.
Good evening.
Uni aba free.
Make us free
Kumau udi.
Go very kwa video.
Mr. Dia yentio free Kumau.
Ba go say.
Yentio.
Maybe the American say. Yes Nanado onene mai. Nimpedifo odo egu o meya mai yedi nkutojogu fon pana chopa. Yes rawo won kanche yisi fo no so no omo ma ya le dem na for one so no wa sizes as no dey but yes no ya ni we no politics yes we dey nyami para.
Okay, then I say good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Dako Penny.
Mame mo abasupa Dako Penny. Na mencha ne brother Jake ne chama me chama pa. Na me ma vi be kasa ma fresa no mani age pa. No visa ze brother Jake no ma me ne papa ne radio ndo mani mo me na ku fada nkombe. Mahama se no mi ti jojo no kru ma chiche ne so ya na mi. Uze na de kwata de no boge. Ni ya se do pa no. Ni ya ko ga je ti to obuate. Problem happen na emphasize one more company because they want no boate ko enye du asante ready ani pa baako ye won lockdown no boate for ho ya nyo mo hye enne ba bia kuduro ntini ase ka che me ku fado say o hwe ni maye o hwe letter commission because of say ni so akununti e say di kinchance o ko create bi no ntini me ko so Ghana no ni pani wu a no pa na asese.
Okay, yes, so you're not that prepare. It has also with me after good evening. Hello.
Good evening, Sir Mark.
Yes, I would never free.
But your family Daniel Libya.
Daniel Casafe.
The Casafe Libya.
Daniel Tio.
The American says, he says, Yarena Banana, Asama used for us almost other through the most other ID card you said, yeah. Your best friend and as you know, but my in a best you have a 12 and be a man. But they say the Ghana and Econo, and the Ghana for us, my card is now my card is there, one, you would do card. Adiyeti na uko ya ID card, adiyeti na uko ya Ghana card, adiyeti na uko yewe. Card bibribiri mkwa adiye na Ghana no mwede card meye. Eti your best friend M24 no munyabu na yenya yewe tuwa bani na bye.
Okay. Yanasi, good evening.
Hello. Evening.
Good evening, Afrefi.
Hello.
Abani Majos, good evening, Afrefi. Yentio.
Within the Jew.
Go free.
Okay.
Go free.
You free within the Jew.
Boni Yentio Joe.
As I'm making now say now they don't call Kufodu. They now they don't call Kufodu. The ODA they in your crowd because right there of you and you see a crown. I'm almost who so it's my baby, Munka be my pa, no come collect this here, I'm in Moka say.
I'm going to more course now, fancy. Good evening. Hello.
Hello.
Good evening.
Good evening.
You never afraid free until.
Hello.
Would you never afraid free until?
May first
okay, Yanko.
For your program, I
I was a man, like a before your man. President, who would be our Sunday? Yabe, all for today. Oh, Tom, maybe I fine. So, any MPP. That is true. Now, why not? A man over here. Oh, Israel.
Okay. Yeah, that's it. Good evening. Hello.
Good evening. Hello, good evening.
Yeah, I'm going to free for NTO.
But Mr. Western North,
okay.
But I have enough. Then I'm sure I'm
okay. Yeah, so yeah, that's it. Well, yeah, na yemfa AC Ilyasu defeat Libya Tripoli and what they about. Please tell the NDC, tell the NPP man they should think about our future. I don't know dear, I don't know. And then we say okay, I think what the medical kind that we say good evening, Sir Mike. Hanatu from Techiman. Please tell the NDC man to rock on. And also at the end, well, Chairman. Hey, now the Uber.
Yeah. Say local na bientwi ye ho free enema ensem pata ho emra na abane de ato ho no ye we si bedi so se be ya yade no e be ba fam ama ye nyina ho atone aso da ko ye adwuma sanity right
NS Kwekweji eye mention no second vice chairman NPP in Ashanti region and Amotenika Jake
minia ade de wa mafia me pa uko no wa aba me wa na ukofa course u ba wo sanko
say na me wi
fa unim odaku pa me chia o ene aja wusuni ne nkofo wa kama asama ma me pa de o ka se te kam papa na na akofo aro me papa ne jo ma aba
de just college nyina
na me ka o su chama dia na wo yemi
college na be free plan o
chama pacho
masa na wo dia say
ti ko le medina kama na medina
eno ase we nya na medina kama masa
medina kama
oni wo bia che na
me ka die ti ne boni be na maka wo nya
bro so ko kan
say yesilupia
yes
etiefo a omo arefo mo hwe ye eti ye frɛ ye wa be 90%
eti me o ma men kama asa
o mampani
dabi o san ko no obi
ye voter register
na o san ko no obi
mo ntini ma bia se
ye mi che ne se
NDC free registration o kasa tia sa
so he dey chama
o mpne am registration yan koso
gentlemen
o ma kasa adade papa wo mudiri
abusuan for hell MP for hell I don't think so
wa fi kura hwe no wa fi da fa ate o mpesa wa fi de wojo ne hu jo pa wa fi mi tia wa nyumere mebe fie abedi fufuo wa the American say jo ma ama no sa ne wo teso na Ghana for ye ditumi hye won sa na wonye adwuma yi a ye be bo chi abasa ma wa ye ni ento omunji ntum sisi omu fi se papa ne yamma ni din dia yamma ni nkotena fi wanyini yamma ni nkotena fi na yamma o ma o metime bu o mama ya ho ato ya ne ya to ba onu ya wonim de be mi sere nyina ne se yisifo no omu so omu din hihye ye betu kwa ama ya koto aba hihye ya no jiso o ma ye ntare eyi workers jiso o ma o mu ntare eyi afa no suman o ma o mu we no SK unim se necessary o mu nya bi ye wo ba bi wo kra nipa na o mu yar kwa yemfa o mu nkoto ani tene ma o manpanyi be ka so o peso si hospitals SK bi we kra ye di kwa register edin
on fan ko yes ade
e because ye bi da nipa kwa unye che bi o ye se ye di ehia ta na ye di afata o ife wu a oba yare wu a o se medini ko tie oba yare a Oba yare wu a fani ko zu te wose ni fani ko zu te me de ni ko school
me da se
e no wu a be da wa ko school no
the Ashanti Regional Communication Team member for the NDC Jake Azantoli na mote ono nso enka webwaye wo fidiem ha enne benada the 12th day in the month of May 2020 ambassador Mfama Yabo for technical advisor to the program DJ Lofty executive me producer Queen AJ and then DOP Kobe Frank VTR Augustina Ansa MCR Loretta production manager Ochinozo the one executive producer Sam Darquis PRO Bernard Ade and afi director Samuel Kwabna Dako me then the Michael Nana Adumakobe from Mr. Nyame Adumo 4:30 to 6:30 p.m. Mondays to Fridays. Sinupi now minor in Tumpong Yakram.
Oh sorry anopay. What dwen you obedi? Nia obehye. Baby a odi uti beto. Na mebisa wo. What dwen wa pomuden ho ana?
So na bebetu mpon a igna yenhye a amamu mpanifo eye. Omanfo no so atimi aboa ama oman no atimi apija. Efiri atifi ekwa toye. Epuye ekosi anafo. Obi a che na adwen. Ebi so oman na ekoso, ebi so oman na nkoso. Ebi no se mfa so bono man so ntwerefo. Eno ti na Kumawu television. Yakofa dwumade ya to no din Sinupi ede ebrewo. Sinupi amanyosem. Sinupi ensem a ye bomosuko ene ebedwafo ahia. Adwada ekosi fiada 4:30 to 6:30 p.m. Share na ene abedwafo nhia. Anyenyo no man ho. Yenhwe kron man no befa so a ebetimi atumpo. Sinupi on pen nada wo fo sen eno hu Ghana.
Ya mobo wo Ghana. Etisika so o man nya ohia mai. Nenam amamu a enkoyie enti no. Ekomde.
On pen nada mahama so sisai.
Fertilizer ye cry ya ye tro say ye nton not for sale, not for sale. And obi de not do wen hu ohu for sale. Ekuafo entimi antono.